Hi everyone, welcome to Investment Clues channel and yet another episode in the high CAGR stock series. Today we will be talking about a share which was quoting at rupees 2.06 on January 1st, 1999. It appreciated to rupees 2260.35 on 24th November 2022. The PE ratio is 30.45 and the current dividend yield is 0.48%. Share price increased over the period mentioned with the CAGR of 34.03%, and therefore the total return is 34.03 plus 0.48, that is 34.51%. This company is a leading diversified chemicals conglomerate and its name is SRF Limited. Business verticals of the company include specialty chemicals, fluorochemicals, packaging films, technical textiles, and coated and laminated fabrics. Company began its journey as Shri Ram Fibers in 1970 to manufacture nylon tire cord fabrics. In the year 1990, the company was renamed as SRF Limited. Given the past track record of the company, its fundamentals may be examined in the present context to consider investment in its share for long term. Hopefully, it will prove to be quite rewarding in the future as well. Though let me add a disclaimer, this video is only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor and do your own research before making any investment decision. Thank you so much for listening. Stay tuned for more such companies in subsequent episodes.